Goyal Brothers Prakashan has introduced Bloomsbury, an activity-based integrated course which is designed and formulated in accordance with the guidance of National Education Policy 2020. This series caters to learners of class LKG to class 5. National Education Policy has laid a lot of emphasis on promoting an activity-based and experiential approach to learning. This series also seeks to develop the core 21st century skills in learners. Besides, great care has been taken to make learning a joyful experience for the learners. All this will together lay a strong foundation at the primary level and lead to the holistic development of the learners at each level. There are 3 components of the series: course book, teacher's resource book, and online support. All these subjects are comprehensively covered in Bloomsbury. There are 2 semester-wise books for each grade. That means there is a total of 14 books in this series. Let us now explore some of the book features for classes UKG and LKG. The English section contains the sing-along feature. It consists of theme-based songs to make learning fulfilled. It also contains the Let's Practice section that includes end-of-the-chapter exercises that test factual, inferential, and evaluative comprehension of the lessons learnt. The mathematics section includes observational skills that encourages kids to use all 5 senses to recognize, analyze, and recall their surroundings. The other feature of this section are recognition skills that tests the ability to see a word and comprehend its meaning. Children associate letters, words, and numbers with specific images. Coming on the environmental studies subject, recognition skills feature is also given here, promoting the spirit of analysis and questioning. Writing skill sections is also given, which helps in developing the writing skills of the learners. Now let's discuss the features of Bloomsbury for classes 1 and 2. The English section comprises of warm-up feature that includes a hands-on activity that is thematically linked with the text. It also includes pen-down feature that contains different types of creative writing exercises used in everyday communication. Under the mathematics section, Let Us Recall is a feature that refreshes the concepts learnt in the previous class. Then another feature is the value-based questions that are meant to inculcate moral values in the children. Coming on to environmental studies, this section consists of art integration questions. The learners will develop creativity through art, craft, poster making, and designing, etc. This section helps children in development of motor skills too. Another feature of the book is activity time. This feature provides small activities for children, including some hands-on activities. Let us now focus on the components of the general knowledge section of the book. The first component is the help box that provides answers in jumbled form for the students to choose correctly. Then there is Did You Know feature, which provides interesting information related to the chapter. Now let us move on the next section and discuss the features of Bloomsbury series for classes 3 to 5. To improve the pronunciation skills and vocabulary of the learners, we have included the word-wise feature in the English section. Further, we have incorporated revision tests that assess the learner's understanding of the concepts learnt. Moving on to the mathematics section, it includes the apply and learn feature that asks questions to apply the knowledge gained after exploring the concept. Another exclusive feature of this section is the mental maths feature that enhances the mathematical and calculation skills of the students and also fortify the concepts already learned. Now find out is a feature that is a part of general knowledge section. It is a component that makes the students curious to learn about the content in the text. Wow is another peculiar feature of the book. The students can find this section scattered across the pages to provide some surprising facts related to the text on the page. The science section consists Meet the Facts feature, which has some wonderful scientific facts related to the chapter. It also contains life skills and subject integration that promotes resilience, awareness about surroundings, and helps to relate the concepts with different subjects. High order thinking skills questions is a feature of a social studies section, can help the learners to make better decisions, solve problems, generate ideas, and think critically. It also contains case study based questions to generate an in-depth understanding of the concept and answer the questions associated with it. Thank you.